We're going to look at the UPS, where that fits in with this with these backup power supplies. So in a building, there's obviously lots of different services in an installation. So for a commercial installation, one of the big things is you've got things like lifts and which have to run in a power cut. Okay, you've got fire exit lights, computer stuff. You have to keep that up and running. You don't want all your servers to fall over. What else? Fire alarm systems, security systems. Okay, so if we go through those things one at a time, the lifts, what they'll do is they'll generally stop and open the doors, and then they return to the ground floor. So we need some power for that to happen, and that will generally be run by the generator, backup generator, or in some cases like a hydraulic one, it can be done with gravity. Then we've got things like computers. We can't have any break in the power to our computers. Slightest power cut, maybe over a second or maybe 2 seconds, will shut everything down. So that's where we use our UPS. So it's a short-term solution. Looking at fire systems, alarm systems, they have their own batteries built into the panels. Okay, fire systems and alarm systems are all DC, and the reason they run them on DC is they can battery back them up. And exit lights, for fire exit lights and all that, they must maintain, and they generally have a battery backup system as well, which is constantly recharging. So anyway, let's look at the UPS. So we're going to use this to tie us over. We can either go fairly long term or short term, but it's not a continual solution. So what it does is it gives a backup battery and inverts it to the 230 volts. So this would be used, and hopefully that will give them either time to shut down their servers properly, run some software, close everything down, or if they do want to maintain their services, they could use that time to shut their computer servers all down to one server, or minimize their load, and or wait for generators to come up online. Okay, and keep the UPSs there, and the UPSs will start to charge back up again. So the UPSs contain a DC battery. There's a very good video. I was going to put a PowerPoint together on how it all works, but I found a very good video on YouTube. So I've put a link to that in the Moodle, and if you guys could watch that video rather than I do a very poor PowerPoint on it, the work's already been done. Okay, that's us.